Hey, it's John from Can. Just doing a video here on my vintage retro mountain bike. This is the giant Rincon. I believe the year I got this was in 1998, so it's like more than 20 years old. But it has a lot of upgrades. For one, it's got a front suspension fork. Has the RockShox jet. The drivetrain has been upgraded. Has the Shimano Dior LX. It's still 3x7, just like most old school bikes where the brakes have been upgraded. This is running the Shimano Dior LX front and rear brakes. 26-inch wheels, of course. The levers were upgraded as well. Shimano Dior LX. Old school grip shift. Just showing you guys what my retro bike looks like. It actually still handles pretty well on the trails. Yeah, you don't see that many of these type of bikes out anymore. Just wanted to show you guys my old school bike. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Hope you guys like it.